When was the last time you conducted a social media audit for your company? You've been posting to LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, but are your investments really paying off? Hi, I'm Chris Kazemchak, Analyst Relations Expert at Forward Vision Marketing. And I've been helping marketing leaders for various communications and marketing projects for more than 25 years. Join me on January the 27th at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time as I answer all those questions and more in our How to Audit Your Social Media Channels webinar. I'll share with you our social media audit process, how to use the PESO model, which if you're not familiar, it's paid, earned, shared, and owned. We'll also talk about examples and actionable tips on how to turn your social media posts into conversions. Register now on forwardvision.net and share with your friends. See you soon.